Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Deepa Berar and I'm here to inspire you all to live a deeply beautiful life. So I'm super excited for today's video. If you guys notice, I have the big crazy hair going on right now. That's for a reason. We are doing 3 different hairstyles that are super easy and quick to recreate, and they're gonna be perfect for your spring and summer weddings and parties. If spring decides to get here eventually. I don't know about you guys, but I love watching hair tutorials. So whenever I see them, I've been watching them a lot lately and I've just been feeling inspired to do one. And plus, for those of you that haven't been following me, if this is the first video that you're watching, I had alopecia back in fall of 2016 and I lost a bunch of hair, about 3/4 of my hair. And it's been growing ever since, and the first crop of hair is finally down to here now, which is awesome because now I can finally do really fun hairstyles again. Back in fall 2016, I was doing more hair tutorials. I was starting to get into it and I was really enjoying it, but then because the hair fell out, I had to stop, and now it's finally long enough to do it again, so I'm super excited to do this video. Plus, I have a really fun finishing trick that is gonna take your hair to a whole nother level, especially for those of you that are suffering from thinning hair or alopecia, or if you just want your hair to just look fuller in general. So before we get into this video, please subscribe to my channel if you haven't, and give me a thumbs up if you like this video. So before you style your hair, there are 2 tips I'm gonna give you guys that are going to help you so much with the styling. And that is A, to wash your hair the day before. Don't use freshly washed hair because hair that has a little bit of oil in it is a lot easier to style than hair that is freshly washed. So the second is to curl your hair before you throw it into any style. Curling your hair allows your hair to have that bend that makes it so much easier to just mold into place than if it was completely straight. If you guys need a curling tutorial that is super easy, you can check out my how I curl my hair video that I just recorded, which I will link for you guys. But let's get into style number 1. Okay, so the first thing you're going to do is part your hair down the center, and then you're going to grab a chunk of your hair that's more towards the back, like the crown of your head. You're going to tease it with like a teasing comb, and then you're going to grab a section just below that, also towards the crown of your head, and you're going to tease that as well, and then another section just to kind of get a lot of height and volume towards the back of your head. And then what you want to do is you want to sort of gather your hair in a very loose ponytail, and you're going to kind of make it like a lower ponytail more towards the top of your neck. And once you've gathered all the hair together, what I want you to do is with your right hand hold it into place, and with your left hand curl it under, and then grab that hair with the right hand. So you're holding all of that ponytail with about 4 or 5 inches left out, and you're going to twist that and then twirl it around your hair. Hold it into place and grab those spin pins. You guys have seen me use these before. You know I love these. They're amazing. You just corkscrew them into your hair, and you just need 2, and it holds everything into place. They are so good. I'm gonna put it all of the products that I use in this video in the description box below so you know where to get it. And just grab some bobby pins and then pin in some stray hairs that you have. And now we're going on to the big tip that I want to share with you guys. Okay, so the Toppik hair building fibers. You guys have heard me talk about this before. They are amazing because they fill in any sort of gaps in your scalp. And this, guys, is the secret that a lot of celebrities use to making their hair look super full. So for those of you that don't have Toppik, if you're looking to purchase it, Toppik has offered you guys a 15% discount, which is awesome, and I'm going to put it in the description box below where you can buy it. What the code is, it's Toppik15. But honestly, guys, this is the secret that a lot of the celebrities use just to make their hair look super full, and it works really well. This is the final look, guys, and it's like perfect for any sort of like weddings or parties that you want to go to, because it's like it's done, but it's like not like overly done. I love this hairstyle, and it's so super easy and quick to do. Okay, we're moving on to the next style. So what you want to do for this look is you want to part your hair on the side, and you're just going to pick whatever side that you prefer. And then what you want to do is grab a chunk at the very front of the hair, so a few inches, and you're going to separate it into 3 equal parts, and you're just going to braid it. So basically we're doing like a really loose French braid, but you can kind of see like how big the chunks are that I'm taking and how loosely I'm holding my hair. I'm not taking like really tiny chunks, and I'm making my hair like not super tight and flat against my head so that it's a little bit of a looser, more undone French braid. And when you get to about ear level, what you want to do is just sort of finish off that braid without gathering any more hair, and then you're going to grab all of your hair at the nape of your neck and you're going to basically twist it into a low bun. So you're twisting your hair and you're pulling it around and you're holding it very loosely. So do not do a tight bun. And then you're just going to use those spin pins and corkscrew them into your hair, both of them, one from either side, and just sort of pin into place any sort of loose hairs. And now we're moving on to celebrity hair trick number 2, and this is the Toppik colored hair thickener. You guys have seen me use this before to fill in my bald patches, which is what I'm doing right now. But what you can do with this is you can fill in any sort of areas around your scalp that are not full, so it looks a little bit more even. And this is great for those of you that are trying to do those really super slick back ponytails, because you want a very, very even scalp line. So this works perfectly for that. And for those of you that have any sort of bald patches that are showing, just fill it in with the colored hair thickener and you're good to go. And this is the final look. Now we're on to hairstyle number 3. So now what we're going to do is we're going back to a center part. We're going to grab the hair at the top half of our head, and we are going to do a braid. So we're doing like a French braid. You're grabbing 3 separate sections, and then you're just going to very loosely hold it just like the last hairstyle, and then just loosely add in chunks of hair. And you're just going to keep going down all the way towards the bottom. I don't know about you guys, but I just love braids, especially for summertime. They're so pretty and they're so easy to do. If you don't know how to braid hair, just kind of watch and follow along with your own hair, or use like maybe your sister or your mom or whatever. It looks really nice on highlighted hair because it shows the dimension in your hair. But if you don't have highlighted hair and you want the same effect, you can actually add in different colored hair extensions and it will like give you the same sort of look. It's super pretty. So now when you get to the last piece of hair that you're going to add to your French braid, what you want to do is you want to hold your braid with one hand and take that piece of hair with the other hand, and you're going to wrap it around the braid and just keep wrapping it until you've got maybe like an inch or 2 left of hair. And then you're going to grab a bobby pin and you're going to pin it underneath so that nobody can see the pin. And then you're going to grab another pin and you're going to bobby pin it and just sort of cross it over the other bobby pin, and that locks it into place. And now because we have a center part and it's pulled a little bit more so you can kind of see sparse areas towards the back of the part, what I like to do is grab the Toppik and just fill in those areas, and it makes it look like you have a super, super full head of hair, and it looks really good with the braid. All I can say is whatever works, works, and I freaking love this stuff. And then just to set all the fibers into place, you're gonna grab the fiber hold spray and just spritz like once or twice. Honestly, guys, this stuff works really well, so you don't need any more than that. And then there you go, there's your final look. So that brings us to the end of our video, guys. I hope it helped you. I hope you picked up some new tricks and tips to help you guys with your spring and summer hairstyles. I know I'm definitely gonna be playing with my hair a lot this summer, especially now that it's almost grown back in. I wanna say a shout out to Toppik. Thank you so much for sponsoring this video. I hope the celebrity trick of filling in the hair gaps really helped you guys. So thank you so much to Toppik. And before we go, if you haven't, please subscribe to my channel, give me a like, and share this video with any of your friends that it might help so that we can all live a deeply beautiful life. Thanks so much for watching, guys. I'll see you in a few days.